This is not how we want to start a weekend off. We're coming off the tail end of 2 beautiful days, and now we got to deal with this. Although it has been quiet in much of the bluegrass, rain has been steadily streaming in. You've got some lighter rain down across Pulaski County, just creeping up on Berea. Some moderate showers over our eastern Kentucky counties, some rumbles of thunder, and a slug of heavy rain back around Bowling Green that's been there for a number of hours and is starting to work its way off to the actually west a little bit there. So what we will see is this rain just continuing to stream up from down south. It is going to be extremely hit or miss. Some folks will get soaked. Some folks may stay high and dry. If you look at the rainfall over the last 24 hours via the Kentucky Mesonet, there's that pop of heavier precipitation. They've had about 1.5 inches on the higher end out towards Bowling Green. We've had into our eastern counties some higher end totals, but this is also combined with some of the scattered stuff that popped up late yesterday. So 1 inch or 2 out there. And the rainfall, again, it's going to be hit or miss, but the folks that get hit, it will be heavy, and we could have some localized issues with flash flooding, so watch out for that. The rain chance spikes tomorrow with that upper low overhead and then rapidly drops off late in the weekend. So it's going to be a couple of days of this. The future track shows that precipitation tracking north, and again, yeah, some folks get hit, some folks don't. So if you spend the entire afternoon dry, don't be surprised, but we'll have another chance tomorrow. This is in the morning. You can see this low. You can even pick out the rotation here as it pulls northeast for additional scattered showers and storms. So if you don't get hit today, you very well may get hit tomorrow. If you don't get hit tomorrow, there's a tail end chance as the system pulls out this upper low Sunday afternoon. And again, rainfall, another maybe 1 inch or 2, depending on your location. A lot of folks will be probably 1/4 to 1/2 inch as these pass through, and it's going to be over a number of days. There's a cloud cover associated with that upper low. Developments in the Atlantic as well. We now have Tropical Storm Laura, the earliest 12th named storm in the Atlantic basin there, and also Tropical Depression 14 still down towards the Yucatan Peninsula. What's interesting about this, though, double tropical trouble. This is around Monday, Tuesday of next week. There's the potential to have 2 systems in the Gulf. There has never been on record a case of 2 hurricanes simultaneously in the Gulf of Mexico. It's conceivable that could happen. Here we're showing you by Tuesday, tropical storm off the coast towards Houston and a Category 1 hurricane close to Tampa there. Of course, that's way out there. That is the National Hurricane Center forecast track, and you know how those things can change. So we're up to Laura. The season just keeps blowing us by. Marco's next if 14 becomes something. Out of Bluegrass Airport, temperatures in the upper 70s. It is cloudy, it's hazy, it's coolish. For this time of year, probably only hit around 80 for the high. The dew point's coming up as well. It is muggy out there, and high temperatures, well, we're going to jump back to around the upper 80s, maybe even near 90 degrees by the middle of next week. So if you're wondering where that summertime heat went, it is not gone. It's just on a brief hiatus here. We got to get through this messy weather going into the weekend before the heat cranks next week. Mostly cloudy, occasional showers and storms today. Some folks get wet, some folks don't. Mid-60s tonight, tomorrow. Additional scattered showers, some gusty showers and thunder showers. With more breaks in the clouds and sunshine, we may have some stronger storms tomorrow. That upper low coming through, so we'll have to watch that. Showers and storms taper off tail end of the weekend, and then here comes that heat next week.